done. Right, okay, let's get straight into it. Today we have the Burger Bar Fire. It's the next Lego City that we're doing. Seems pretty cool. It has this water pump feature. I don't know how good that's going to be, but we shall see. So let's get right into it. That joke is definitely getting old now. Is that everything? I hope so, because that's all that's come out. Okay, we have fire stickers and burger stickers. Seems great. I'm guessing we're going to start with number 1. Right, and maybe that, I don't know. The first figurine is this woman, this fire woman. She also has a hat, which I think is going to be, that's how she's going to be. But it's nice to see that they're given a different type of hair, you know, in case you get a station or something, and then you can have them chill in the station while they wait to be called out. Okay. And here we have the guy who's going to go in. I think the difference is hoses and ladders. I think that's what they call them. The people who go in and the people who manage the hoses to help them stay cool and not as hot and fiery as they would be if they went in just randomly. Oh, he has a spare headpiece, which is just the helmet. So I'm guessing he might be the one who goes on the motorbike. Not too sure. Right, motorbike first. It's sticker time. And here we go, first sticker. Second sticker. I think this one really makes a difference on how it adds to the framework and like the look of this bike. Whereas a lot of them, they don't do that much. And there we go, that is the bike. Pretty simple but pretty good. I like it. Oh. Hopefully it's good to see it sped up. I don't know. I only know once I get to editing it. But last time it looked pretty cool, I think. Especially with the music. Well, I hope it's not been taken down for music. I use royalty-free music. There was a link. Leave a comment if it's better to have music or to just have a sped up time lapse that has kind of a staticky sound. I think it's way better to have the music, but obviously put your own preference down and I will listen to the majority. Stick time. Boom. Another sticker time. Boom, done. It is meltingly hot today. Spin around, click. This is pretty cool, being able to do that. I mean, we already know from the picture at the start what it's going to be in the end, but still pretty cool. Right, let's make this weird small piece, which hasn't yet explained its. Yes, we have door. That took me an embarrassingly long amount of time. Got a fair amount of spare parts of that, or maybe I've just not put it together right. Here we go. I am sweating a lot. It is a very warm day, and I do not appreciate the bright light that I have on, which is making it even warmer. Okay, I think I've messed it up. Oh yeah, I did. That was all the parts that I just pulled off, isn't it? Yeah, we'll go with yeah for now, and when we realise that I messed up, then we'll backtrack. Sticker time and reveal and focus. There we go. Those are the stickers. I have no idea what just happened. I think it turned off, but hopefully I didn't lose any footage. I really hope I didn't lose any footage, otherwise I've just been... Sticker time! Yep, that took a while, didn't it? I bet you're really loving that pause. I'm gonna have an ice cream after this. Ooh. That's going on the back. And then we put, whoa, that's pretty cool. Fireman's axe. And there we go. It's starting to take shape, isn't it? It's a pretty cool way of making a door. Right, now we have a big one to do. Let us begin. Another sticker time. And another one. Another one. And there we go, with all the stickers on. Looks very cool. Sticker time. I'm really impressed in how realistic that kind of looks compared to any sort of kind of truck that you'd see here. Let me put some on screen. What about that truck? Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Looks pretty similar as well, doesn't it? What about this one? Yeah, that one looks similar. It doesn't look like one of these ones though, does it? No. Have fun with that one, future self. Now we have the epic part, which is the wrong way around. So we do this. Whoa, that is pretty cool. If we do it sideways maybe. Put that in. Yeah, that is that one done. This comes up overhead. And yeah, we still have the third bag. And here we have Chef when everything goes wrong. I don't know if he's chef or a waiter. I'm guessing from the size of it that it'll be both. Now we get to use this big slab. Okay, so we have tomato ketchup, mustard, and what appears to be a Lego burger. That's pretty epic. Intense by adding a sliding door. Sticker time. Nice. Sticker time. Even nicer. Final sticker time. Epic. Oops. Okay, and that's the game, is to shoot this down with these. Oh no, the burger shop's on fire. here comes the fire brigade. Problem solved. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and please share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!